Hello everyone. In this video we will see an exercise on Alteryx. The objective of this particular exercise is what is the use of autofill tool in Alteryx. So we will find this particular autofill tool in the preparation tab. For that purpose we will require to input some data. So just click on this particular input output tab. We will take this particular input data tool in the canvas. New workflow 9. I have created number of workflows, that's why it is new workflow 9. So it is now asking me to connect to a file or to a database. Just click on this drop down. Then what we have to do, we have to click on the files. It is going to be displayed on the left hand side. So we have to click on this particular files. Then we have to select the path. Yeah, this is the path which we have to do. Now what we have to do, we have to select the file. So Office City Sales, click on open. So it will ask that whichever sheet you want to take it, you have to select that particular sheet in that particular Excel file. So only one sheet is there. By default, okay. Click on OK. So you'll be finding the 100 records over here. Now what we have to do, we have to go to this particular preparation tab. Then we have to drag this particular autofill tool, and it is going to be connected with this particular input data tool also. So in case of that particular input data tool, we have taken Office City Sales.xlsx file. So what is the beauty of this particular case that we will see first. So over here, when I click on run, so the data is going to be appear as it is appearing in the Excel sheet. I'll show you both the data. So over here, this is the data. 18 fields are there, and first is nothing but the heading which is given over here. So 18 fields are there. So that data is available in this particular 18 records are being displayed. So this is being available in the data. So what is being there in the metadata, we have to see. So metadata just gives us the information about the columns. So actually there are 6 columns you can see over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 columns are there. Out of which the state core and office sales is nothing but the numbers. So this is nothing but new workflow. And state, market size, and territory is nothing but the string. So this gives us the information about the data type. So over here, variable string, v string is available from state, market size, and this particular territory. State code and office size is equal to number data that is being available, and the path is also given in the metadata. So if you are going to this particular autofill, so over here you can find out in the configuration pane whatever there is going to be displayed. And the data, if you want to see over here, so the same data is going to be appear in the same case, but you can find out this particular difference that here only string is going to be displayed, and whatever will be the data, string data, so that is going to be displayed in this particular configuration page. State, market size, territory, dynamic or unknown fields. So if there will be unknown fields, so it will also be displayed. So over here, the string data is being displayed, that is within the text. And the state code and the office sales, which is having size of 8 and 8, is remaining as it is. So I'm again going to this particular file. Over here you can find out the same 8 8 for state code and office sales. But the size of the variable string from state, market size, territory is different, 255. So likewise, if you are going again to this particular case of autofill, so you can see this particular thing. 10, 7, 12, and 15. If again I am clicking on run, so it will show me the same case. So you can select or deselect. If I have deselected this particular state and if I click on run, so the same value of size which is going to be appearing in the Office City Sales Excel file which we have imported, 255 will be shown over here in the auto filter. So you can see over here state variable string and 255 will be the size. So it is going to get the data modified because we have deselected this. So in this way we can do the changes. So that's all for this video. I hope you have understood. Have a nice day.